Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
They seem to be glory hounds when it comes to being captured on film, showing off their best sides so that everyone can see what magnificent creatures they are, not to mention that they're adorable, to boot. The Canadian lynx is quite a solitary animal and aren't often spotted being close to civilization, but there are occasions where a single lynx will be seen and even captured on photograph. They're often trapped for their fur and their numbers have been declining due to the reduction in their habitat, but these animals still continue to thrive. Their large, extremely furry toes are perfect for trekking through the snow and gripping onto surfaces when they lunge at their prey. With their favorite prey being bunnies and other small animals that are quite fast, it's important that they have everything that they need to catch their meals. This large feral cat has adapted well to its surroundings and definitely knows how to get around in the snow. First to be blessed with such tools, as the Canadian lynx has had the benefits of their large, padded paws for centuries. Snowshoes have made it much easier for us to hunt and travel in the colder climates, saving us time that would have been spent freezing our toes off. From shelters to spears, we've even made it easier for us to walk across foot-deep snow without sinking into it. Since mankind has learned to evolve and adapt to the various climates of the world, we've developed various tools to make our lives much easier.